Okay, everybody, we are going to learn how to separate this two-color left chest image. So here we have a design that the customer sent. It is a two-color, white and red. It's going on the left chest. So what I like to do is find the center first, and then I put a guideline in the center. I put in a registration mark because when you're out printing on your printer, and I mean your silkscreen printer, not your regular printer, it makes it easier to line up the screens. So we imported that in, or dragged that in from our location. Now I'm going to just make another one. It's good to have at least two registration marks. You can do 4, 2 up, 2 down, 2 in the middle, make it 6. Why not? Go crazy. Whatever you like. Okay, there's my 2. It's a 2-color job, so by default this came in as 1 of 1 white. So I'm going to change that to 1 of 2 white. Okay. I don't think that worked good yet. We gotta get rid of that 1. Okay, there we go. So I have the registration marks in. So what I want to do is save a copy, just in case anything goes wrong. You always want to be able to start back from where you were. So now I need 2 copies of this. So we're going to have 1 for the red screen, and we're going to have 1 for the white screen. Okay, so 1 of 2 white, that's correct. So now let's go to this one and say 2 of 2, and it's going to be red. Okay, so now we're only worried about the red screen. So what we'll do is go ahead, and the easy way is, this is all white, that's red. If you delete that black, you're only going to see the red. So let's delete that black. Okay, so then there's our red. So it's safer to go ahead and delete any extra junk you got on there, just because any little thing could happen and you could accidentally move it and it could wind up covering up part of your image, and you won't find that out until you're actually out on the press, and that could be disastrous and get you yelled at and all that fun stuff. So there's our red. So we're going to make it black. We're going to give it a black outline. For that black outline, I want it to be 0.5 or 1. That's fine. All right. So I will explain why we did that in a second. So now let's go over to the white screen. Okay. And so here our background, or our t-shirt, is black. We need to change what we're going to print to black. So this could be a little confusing. So sometimes what I like to do is just click that background image and just give it a color that is not in your design. Okay, so then we just give it a gray. Gray's not in there. All right, and we're going to leave this here, okay, because we need what's called an underbase under the red. We need an underbase of white, so it will print more vivid and more true color. If you didn't have that underbase, it would soak into the color of the fabric and it would bleed and look a little yucky. So all right, so what we're going to do, we're going to make that black. Okay, this time we're going to give it a white outline, and it is going to tuck in itself. We can do 0.5 is good. All right, so on the underlay we have a trap, a white trap underneath it that will allow the white not to show beyond the red in the red screen. Okay, so then we are going to change these 2 sections to black. And get these, and we'll make that black. Okay, and those are printing just white, so we don't need to worry about anything going on top of them or anything like that. So let's go ahead and delete the background. Okay, and so now what we're left with are our two screens that we can send over. We can print out, burn a screen, get them on a shirt. Okay, so that was it. I'm going to save that again because I like saving since computers could crash constantly. All right, so that's it. All you have to do now is print this out, burn it on a screen. I know you know how to do that already, so I'm not going to even mention it or worry about it. And that is about it for this. That's it. Man, print out the separations, kick them on out to your screen printer, let him do his job, and you move on to something else, or go have a coffee break or a cigarette break, or things like that. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I hope to be posting more videos on customization, silk screening, embroidery, things like that here in the future. So thanks again. If you got any questions, please put them in the comments below, and I will get back to you pronto. All right, guys, thanks. See you next time. Bye.